a little bit scary, especially when you can't see what's going on. But oh my gosh, no! Okay, I'm sorry to anyone's eardrums. Okay, we're good. We're all good. We're going somewhere else. Okay.
Oh my goodness. Welcome back. All right.
Oh, sorry, I forgot to put that.
So maybe a nice dose of frozen yogurt, as Everett's having this morning.
Hey there.
Morning, Tri-State.
You know, I was just checking things out, making sure we've got breaking news covered.
Working on their diplomatic relationship, Kim Jong-un invited South Korea's president to his country.
Dun, 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 dun. Oh, wow. Ooh. Look at that. All right, guys.
All right. Wow.
There she is.
Back to you, David.
All right, and there goes Robin King.
There are some rain chances in the forecast. Chris, you're right in front of the screen there. Chris always wanted to steal the spotlight. We'll have more after the break. Don't you do it!
Racing through this Gilbert neighborhood early yesterday morning, targeting unlocked vehicles to burglarize, but also leaving behind, as it turns out, some surveillance images.
Pagi, welcome to the sacred monkey forest in Indonesia. These are my new monkey friends. Ah! No, not cool. No.
So you're not supposed to look at them?
No. Okay. I'm up. He's going inside my shirt. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. I'm gonna get bit. He already bit me. Ha! Ha! Did he break the skin? Did he break the skin?
Come down the hill. It looks like Ruben is in the lead, and here comes Al.
Ay, qué hermoso. Arriba México. Así es, muy buenos días, gracias. Hoy tendremos una máxima de 23 grados y que nos espera para este fin de semana. Es espectaculares. Ahora sí nos vamos a Deportes.
Gracias, preciosa Janet. That's an oyster in there.
We're starting early.
Didn't get the oyster.
Never before.
Sorry. My eyes are...
All right, here we go. I'm going to go backwards, really up the ante. Here we go. So, Sean Gallagher trying out for the Globetrotters. Hey, what do you say about that? I'm done working at TMJ4. I am working for the Globetrotters now. We are done. How's it feel to have a new teammate, my man? There we go. Yeah, there we go. Signing off.
I can't believe you made it!
Oh, my God. That did not happen.
That is amazing. Oh, he's out.
Mic drop, gone.
Kangaroos are often described, you're going to hit me.
Why are you doing this? Why?
There, we'll take you right to our Riverhead camera. Excuse me, that's my camera. What do you think he's doing? Come on, get out of there. All right, well, the sun is under his feathers. It's somewhere. So we're dealing with fog and man-eating birds this morning. You could see kind of ruffling his feathers. All right.
You and I are supposed to be the only goats from Kentucky, the only greatest of all time.
Is there another one trying to
There is a goat that's become a legend in Kentucky. Locals say he's been on the run from the law for years. Residents have nicknamed him Houdini, as in, now you see him, now you don't.
Haha.
Christina, you've got to be kidding me.
Oh my gosh.
No? No good?
Whatever floats your goat.
Yeah, there we go. Come on, these puns aren't that bad.
Oh my god.
I thought it was good.
The snowman.
Oh my gosh.
Hello.
Fantastic. What is happening?
Waiting for
I love the one in the back.
up like that.
Yeah. This is more than we bargained for.
forget weather.
Oh my gosh. Get along, boys.
Wow, they are very playful this morning. At least somebody can be out in the snow enjoying the cold.
Okay, so what do you think? What type of family are we looking for Kara?
An active family. They could have another dog. She does great with other dogs. I had no issues.
Okay. Yeah, that's happening. That is the magic of live television.
Oh my God.
It's still so. I'm sorry. Kara had a healthy, baby. That's why Kara was active. It's all right, Kara. So she has a very healthy diet, and she is available for adoption. Oh, okay. So if you would like to take this gorgeous dog home, just come on down to
John Dickerson returns, so stay with us.
The top allergens right now are ash, alder, as well as birch.
Haley Hernandez has some tips on how to get kids on board.
New at 6, Toledo Lucas County Democrats used a big duck trying to, sorry about that.
Got a lot of mist and drizzle out. Oh my goodness. Folks, the weather forecast is coming up.
project right onto here.
Okay.
So where she's drawing?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Hold. It's been working perfectly, and then we get.
Yeah.
You're totally good. Hold on 1 second, okay? Wait your turn, kiddo.
The social media giant also today introduced a future dating feature, one that will have security and privacy features, according to Zuckerberg. He told the crowd it's going to be for building real, long-term relationships, not just for hookups.
Good luck with that.
Yeah, we shall see.
Yeah.
All right. Russ Reed joining me. Montana. Anyway, Montana, go ahead.
The Ninja Turtle Michelangelo made an appearance at in New York to draw attention to a collection of work from the Michelangelo. Come on now.
It's Michelangelo. It's Michelangelo. And he's just smiling.
I mean, come on. Look at him. He looks really pleased to be there. I think he went there because he was told there would be free pizza. Because the Ninja Turtles love pizza. And Liam loves naps, mid-morning naps. Okay, what's happening, guys?
All right,
It must be Friday.
Up next on the national edition of the morning show, easy updates.
Jeff.
What is going on here?
Is he done? That was terrifying. The internet would put it this way. That was terrifying.
I need to know a little. We're doing what now? And this is going to be when will this air? I'm a little confused. Oh, we're live right now? Hi, everybody. Hope you're having a very Merry Christmas. Candace isn't here to keep me straight. How much time's left in the cut-in, and why is the music still playing? I'm so confused.
Well, turning now to weather as we look at our own light display on the grain silos here in Buffalo, looking beautiful. You know, I wonder if they reach 1 million lights, if Hamburg had a tower cam like the one we were just looking at, could you see it from that? I bet it would be bright enough.
What? I'm sorry, I wasn't paying attention. What would be right enough? I totally missed this. This is on me.
The Hamburg light display that we just ran a story about.
Yeah, and I was looking things up. I was doing my job, and I'm sorry.
Sorry I caught you off guard.
I bet it could, though. I should have gone with it, and I thought about going with it, but I'm like, I know it's going to end badly. I'm going to get caught in some kind of confusing loop, so... Yeah, probably.
The Lakeview light display.
Let's ignore the past 30 seconds. I think so. I think if we had a camera there, I think you're right.
Christmas Eve, I thought I would present to you a forecast of snowflakes and candy canes.
Here.
You gotta quit while you're ahead.
What?
Oh, no, it doesn't work. That's weird. Why doesn't it look like that?
What's that?
Oh, because she's blocked. I was thinking, why isn't my body showing up?
Oh, wow. Okay.
Because she's not actually transparent.
Dang, that was terrible.
We should see temperatures ramp up pretty quick here in San Antonio. There was David. Now this green screen. Taking a tour of the studio here. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. You're taking a rest. It's okay. It's no big deal.
I do want you all to be mindful of the possibility. Let's go ahead and go on to the next graphic here and show you that the possibility of some scattered slick spots across the area as we go through the rest of tonight. That's not what you want to see right there. I'm not sure why my computer is not advancing, but okay, here we go. I'm not sure why it dumped out of that, but anyway.
The winds are going to be very strong. They'll be gusting out of the northwest, and we're looking for darkness coming over much of the country. Seriously? I said, surely that's not going to keep on going dark around here. And sure enough.
Roads completely covered. When I got in this morning, hello camera, I'm working here. I'm working here.
That's
excuse
camera
you.
number 2. Say hello.
Excuse you. Anyway, so here's the thing, guys. All right, so we've got temperatures below freezing. Don't you do it again. Don't you do it again. Anyway, the point is, guys, it's cold, it's snowing, and there's going to be some difficulty on the roadways, so definitely try and give yourself as much time as possible.
Having, some graphics issues right now, you guys, as usual. That's what I can show you. Check it out. That means that it's warmer this morning by about 10 degrees than yesterday morning. Most of us are sitting a little closer to the freezing mark. There are 40s in your weekend forecast. I will have that coming up for you, I promise, in just a little bit. Back to you.
All right, a quick look at traffic as well here this morning. We have some slight backups on the inbound side of the Kennedy as you're coming inbound. You can see we've got some graphics issues as well this morning. So we're going to get everything worked out here.
It's Friday. It's not Monday, right? Apparently offline.
Hug it out. Hug it out.
It's going to be okay. You guys take the show. We're going to go home.
All right. We'll see if our graphics work here.
Brian, not a night the Irish will forget in a hurry, but it was extraordinary for other reasons too.
That's right, Sharon. There was a whole series of different events and different things that really captured the media attention, and certainly it has to be said that here in the US today.
Brian, thank you. And viewers will forgive our own set malfunction there. Thanks, Brian.
Further north and west, we'll see a cluster of showers, and those showers, whoa, it was all going so well. I would just like to say that's not me.
Actually, I wasn't doing anything naughty. I was just walking into a position. Off you go.
That wasn't me. I'll be back tomorrow. See you.
Do apologise. We'll get there eventually. Hopefully the story is worth waiting for.
Robin, how significant is this move?
Well, this proposal could see the biggest change to the leadership of this country, now the second biggest economy in the world, of course, for... Hello? Hello? Only bestowed on Chairman Mao before.
Robin, thank you. Robin Brandt there for us in Beijing. The Bollywood superstar Sridevi Kapoor has
encourage local authorities to work with charities and other organisations.
Of the night.
And that's it. Now on BBC One, it's time for the news where you are. Good night.